Okay, I cut these tapes open. And this must be the packing. Yeah, packing list. I'll save that for Vico. Let's take a look. ITP. Wow. That must be the rims. Okay. Can't do it with one hand, but let me see. I'll try it. Yeah, that looks like the bottom of the box. Let's see. There we go. These are the 12 by 7 410 black 12 or whatever number that is. Oh, I need a knife. Hang on, I'm gonna get a knife. Okay, cut the tape open. Let's take a look at this. Ooh, that looks pretty nice. Okay, I'm gonna hold the camera between my chin and my chest. Oh. Sorry, dropping the camera. Okay, hang on 1 second. Okay, what does this say? Here's a tag. 8/12/20. That was 2 months ago. Well, it looked brand new then, 2 months ago. Oh, those are nice rims. Yeah, very nice. This must be the inside. Yeah, this is the inside of the rim. Wow. Compare this style like that. I'm gonna hold it like that. This style from, well, that's mine, and Vico's is right there. Same rims, stock rims. Man, that thing looks nice and clean now. For just tomorrow I'll power wash it. But anyway, that's the stock rims right here. They look like kind of like sheet metal, stamped. But yeah, let's take a look at this here. Remember that radiator from the inside was all. This is just the garden hose, so that's not even pressure washed. That looks a lot cleaner, a lot better. Yeah. Yep. Yeah, this is still dirt right here that comes off. So yeah. Anyway, and I'll probably, once it's totally cleaned, and I'll go with a wire brush, or it's a wool pad. Yeah, wool pad. I'll clean this all the way up, and then I'll mask everything, and I'll use exhaust manifold paint, and then paint it from basically the whole exhaust system. Looks good. Yep. Anyway.